Okay, will it move? Let's see. Brakes off. There we go. Can't go too far, I don't got a tie rod right there. But it does seem to move. There we go. All I need to see. Definitely smoking a bit. That could be because it's cold out here. Also, it could be this machine was sitting for quite some time. So there we go. Number 2, MTD Yardman runs. Seems like it will drive. Just gotta get everything else sorted out with it. Tie rod, tire, and blades, and battery maybe. Let's just see what the battery's doing. Yeah, that battery's dead. I'll try charging it. No guarantees that it will come back. Bye for now.